In this video, we are showing you a solution for solving Mission 1 called Drone Survey from the first LEGO League Challenge BioGlow robot game. This mission represents using a drone to survey the landscape from above and help create a LiDAR map of the rainforest ecosystem. To solve this mission, the robot needs to launch the drone and flip over the LiDAR map with the red scan marker at least partially in the survey area. Note that this mission has an equipment constraint, so the robot and any team equipment used for solving this mission must not touch the mission model at the end of the match in order to score points. In this video, we are using the Spike Prime Advanced Driving Base built from instructions provided in the Spike Prime software. Let's take off and see how we solve this mission. For our solution, we use a passive attachment that hangs off the side of the robot. The attachment has a push bar in the front that is designed to latch onto and hold down the red scan marker. The robot can solve the mission entirely using only its driving motion. The robot approaches the red scan marker from the red launch area and takes it between the sides of the push bar. As the robot pushes the scan marker towards the base of the mission model, the long axles on the model start forming an upside-down V shape, lifting the drone between the axles off the mat. Our robot adjusts its heading twice to align and position the scan marker near the survey area. With another sharp turn, the robot pushes and slides the scan marker underneath the LiDAR map, flipping it over to fully reveal it. For this mission, the drone no longer touching the mat scores 20 points. If the LiDAR map is completely flipped over and the scan marker is at least partially in the survey area, the team earns 10 bonus points. The maximum possible score for this mission is 30 points.